Good morning, guys. Dan Wood with Northern Sun Mercantile. I have a review video for you today. Partnered up with GRUBTERRA again. We did a video a few months back on their soldier fly larva, their black soldier fly larva. We really like the company. It's a very sustainably built business. They recycle food waste and grow soldier fly larva in that. Product today is chicken Coop Refresher, and they have sent us rosemary thyme. It's available in two different scents, mint and rosemary thyme. It says it's got 15 weeks of slow release scent control, odor control. There's 4 half-ounce packets in here. It says that they are made with natural vermiculite and coated in an advanced hydrophobic coating to ensure effectiveness even in rainy weather. Its unique slow release mechanism delivers extended herby freshness, which is completely safe for chickens and their owners. And the nice thing about this is we compost all of our chicken manure, all of our waste that we hoe out of the chicken coops gets turned into compost, which we use in our gardens, anywhere that we need compost around here. So it's awesome that this stuff is all natural and non-toxic. So let's head into the coop and we'll get this sprinkled around. It's a freshly cleaned coop with some nice fresh shavings down, so we will sprinkle some of this in there, 1 packet of it. We're going to do it in our small coop as a test run and see how it works. I'll check back in a few days, let you guys know what we think of it. I'm going to try to do as honest a review as I possibly can on this stuff. They did send me this for free, but that being said, I don't have any obligation to sugarcoat things if it's not holding up to what it's advertised to be. So now this stuff retails for about $19 a bag. So if you're going to spend 20 bucks on a bag of something, you probably want to be sure that it works, and that's what we're going to try to give you today. Let you know if it works. If it works for us with our large amount of chickens, we've got about 200 laying hens here total. The small coop where we're trying this out today, there's about 65 to 70 that are housed in there every night. So if it's going to get stinky, it'll definitely happen in there. Let's get right in there and get this stuff put in. Now, reading the directions on this, it says there's 4 half-ounce bags, which I think I mentioned before. Directions for use. Would you be quiet? I'm trying to record. Shh. Evenly distribute contents of 1 bag throughout the coop. The deodorizer will slowly release its essential oils to neutralize odors, keeping your coop smelling fresh and clean. So I'm guessing that there's some 4 packets, just like it says in here, and it must be some kind of powder. It says vermiculite. Sorry about the noisy hen. I'm invading their space. It's the height of egg laying today, so. Certainly does smell good. I can tell you that for sure. We'll seal this bag back up and get this opened up and sprinkled around. It almost looks like sand in the package. This coop is only 8 by 8, so it's fairly small. Ooh, that smells really good. Just gonna sprinkle it around, especially into the corners. It already smells better in here, I can tell you that for sure. This stuff is pretty powerful. Get right under where they roost. There's roosts all the way to the ceiling in here. So that's the whole packet. And like I said, we'll check back on this in, I don't know, a week or so and just see how it's doing. I'll tell you for sure though, it already smells way better in here. Summertime tends to be pretty dry, so it doesn't get super stinky in here anyway, but you could definitely tell that there's chickens that are housed in here. We do a deep litter method in our coops. We clean them out about 2 or 3 times a year, and we just keep adding pine shavings to the top. So this will really be a true test of whether this stuff works. So I'll check back in with you in a couple days. All right, it's about 5 days later now. This stuff's had a chance to work. Overall, we're pretty happy with it. It still smells pretty herby in the coop. I think kind of one of my takeaways is if you have a large amount of birds, you're probably not going to get the full 15 weeks out of it. Like I said before, we've got about 60 to 75 birds that roost in this coop every night. And I just think that we would probably have to apply it a little more often, but it does smell way better than our other coop. Kind of got them side by side here, and it is a noticeable difference. There will be a link in the video description to this product, and there's also a coupon code. It's Northern Sun, which gives you 10% off anything on their site. So feel free to use that. We'll pass that along to you guys to help you out. But like I said, overall, this seems to be a great product, and we're happy with it. All right, well, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It's free to do so. We do a lot of homesteading videos. Chickens are just one of the things that we do here. We've got honeybees, and we do a lot of gardening. We've got a big greenhouse, and we sell retail. I post tips and things that we do along the way. If you like that kind of content, like I said, feel free to subscribe. And have a great day. I'll see you next time.